Not like your crickets that you're giving to your Oscar or your lizards. These are made for people to eat.
Yeah, they're all made for people to eat.
All right.
So, hey, pass the bowls down. 2 people share bowls.
All right, 2 people per bowl.
And then, what do you want to do, Zenzo? The first 4 people to finish?
The first 4 to finish how many? 10 crickets each?
10 crickets each. They move on to the next round.
All right. So not only is it a competition as far as...
Why's it got to be teams?
Well, that's a good number.
Hey, so if you guys want to put them all in your hand and do it at once you swallow, raise your hand.
There you go. 10 crickets. And we need everyone out there in the audience to help keep them honest. Make sure that they ate the bugs, swallowed them. Nothing left. They got to show you their open mouth. No spitting them out.
That's not bad. They're just crickets, wait.
Hey, can you guys make a lot of noise?
All right, let's go. Are we ready? Put them in your mouth. Let's go. Eat 10. Chew them, chew them, chew them, swallow them. Salty, crispy. Are these good? Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, tie.
We got 5.
We got 5. I think that Joey and Corey purposely ate slow so they don't have to go on. So we're going to make them eat the next round anyway, regardless. Come on. Who wants them to keep eating bugs? Let's hear it. All right. What's next? I think Micro Octopus wants to try one.
Yeah, they just look really bad.
Are you like super disappointed that you didn't decide to do this? I'm fine.
So this looks pretty daunting, especially that giant, that water beetle thing. Let's hold it up. Let's hold one up so the crowd can see. That is a giant bug.
Hey, Fritz Aquatics, come support me!
Fritz Aquatics, calling Fritz Aquatics.
Tanner? Okay, here you go, Tanner. Everybody's just like,
All right, so this is let's see what these look like. That is, yeah, I'm glad I'm not in this thing. So let's get everyone to open up their package. Wow, look at everything. Check out the scorpion. Oh! Now the tail broke already. All right. Is everybody ready?
Oh, hold on one second.
No.
Fritz Aquatics, please!
Fritz Aquatics. Jay Wilson is begging for you to come over and support him.
Look at this roach!
All right. So do we have all 4 packages?
Raise your hand if you have a package and you're still in.
Yes, this is Chance Tanner.
Tanner?
No water.
All right, so Tanner from Serpent Designs is going to bow out.
I'm bowing out.
Because he's feeling the tingling going on with the
You're out?
the venom.
No. We got somebody.
All right.
Come here, Tanner. Tanner, come over here.
So we don't want him to get an allergic reaction because he's getting a little tingly already in the lips.
Anybody have an EpiPen?
Yeah, we're going to sub him out. We got a pinch hitter here with the buggy in her shirt ready to go. So SD Fishkeep is going to step in. All right. Is everybody ready?
Let's get loud!
The first person to finish the entire package, swallow, and show the audience your empty mouth is a winner. No water on this one, so no washing it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that
Let's go!
chew it
Show the audience.
all the way.
Show the audience.
Let's go.
Get it, Jay.
Oh,
Get it.
man.
Let's go, Joe.
What's it taste like? Like crap? I don't remember what crap tastes like. How we doing? It's dry, that's right. You gotta swallow the whole thing. How is it, Corey? Is it making your throat feel good? Oh, yeah, it's like scratching that throat for you. Jay Wilson, how are you doing? You can't swallow. Well,
Everyone want one sip of water?
one sip of water, okay?
One sip of water. I need water. Every bite. Every bite. I didn't know. Do some with Joe.
All right, go ahead and take a swig.
Yeah.
Does that help?
Good night, no. Doing it.
Oh, Jay Wilson's out.
Make some noise!
Jay Wilson. All right, we're down to 3. Corey?
Hey, who needs water?
Corey, you got a ways to go.
I know.
Looks like Shrimp Shack's in the lead. He's still chewing.
It's the legs.
The legs. The legs are getting stuck in his cheeks. It's like a hamster eating insects. Oh, man. Another sip of water if you need it. Swish around. Or close. Oh, winner! Winner by like a half a second right here. Our bug eater.